Want to learn how to create a split screen in Capcut? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a split screen in Capcut. Start by opening Capcut and tap on New Project. Select the video clips and tap on Add. Select one of the videos, then tap on Overlay. Now tap on Mask. And select Horizontal. Tap on the Adjust. Here you can adjust the X-axis, Y-axis, even rotate the line and feather according to your preference. Tap on the down arrow, then tap on the check mark. Now select either of the video clips and adjust it by dragging it up and down. By following these steps, you can easily create a split screen in Capcut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.